Hey friends, we're gonna make an easy side dish today on the Weber Smoky Mountain. I've got some St. Louis style ribs going, so we need something to go with those ribs this afternoon. So we're gonna make a smoked crack potatoes dish. So this is a potato casserole dish they typically make inside in the oven. We're gonna throw it on the smoker today. So lots of easy ingredients. We don't have to get complex with this. You can make it complex if you want. Trust me, there is no need to do that today. So I'm just taking a full bag here, about 30 to 32 ounces of frozen hash browns. We're gonna put them in my aluminum pan. And we got a few more ingredients to throw in there. We got a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese here. We're gonna throw that on top. So I've got one bag, which is about 2 cups. I'm gonna wish I got a bigger pan here. And then I've also got myself a full 16 ounces here of sour cream. And what's nice about doing this on the smoker is we can come back and mix it a few more times later if we need to as well. Unlike in the house, when you don't want to keep opening that oven. I've got to open that smoker anyway to check on those ribs so the timing will be just right. So after I got the sour cream, the cheese, the hash browns, take myself 1 pack of some ranch seasoning here. I got mine from Hidden Valley Ranch. You can use any brand you want, even a store-bought brand. I'm going to sprinkle that on there as well. And then last but not least, I cooked up about 2 pounds of thin cut bacon. Now, I'm not going to put all this bacon that I cooked and chopped up in the pan just yet. I'm going to use about half of it, a little more than half, and then we'll come back and put some more across the top, kind of like garnish on the back end. So let's go ahead and put some bacon in there as well. All right, my friends. So I'm going to take this. We're going to mix it all together. I've got the Weber Smoky Mountain going right now at about 235, 240 degrees because we got those ribs on it kind of low and slow all day anyway. So this is going to sit on that smoker for probably about an hour, hour and a half. But then after, we'll mix it a couple times as well. I'm going to give it one good mix here, and then we're heading over to the smoker. All right, friends, we got everything on the smoker. It's mixed together. I forgot that I actually needed 2 of those sour cream containers, so we put a second in there as well. Got it all mixed together. We're going to close up the lid here and let them cook alongside those St. Louis style ribs. All right, friends, we've pulled those cracked potatoes off the smoker. I have garnished them with some of that extra crumbled bacon that we had, that chopped bacon, as well as I got some diced up green onions on there as well. So just makes it look nice and delicious for the family. Grab myself a spoon. Let's give it a little taste test here. I want to get a little bit of that green onion on there as well. That bacon there, it's a little steam still coming off of there. Oh yeah, my friends, that is the potato bomb right there. Cracked potatoes. I could literally just eat that all day, especially that bacon in there. I don't even need the ribs I have on the smoker, but I'm going to enjoy them. Don't get me wrong. This, my friends, is absolutely delicious. Simple, easy. Like we said at the beginning, you don't have to make this complex at all. Throwing together is simple ingredients you can find at your local grocery store. Throw them in that pan. Get them on the smoker. Easy side dish. I'll put the full recipe in the description of this episode. If you enjoy what we're doing, remember, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it when you do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.